Hey, this is Jacob, and I'm going to show you how to change a tube. You can get tubes at Ace for about $5. I think they're even cheaper at Walmart. And I'm going to show you a little trick to eliminate flats. Alright, first what we're going to do is we're going to loosen these bolts. And you don't have to take the bolts completely off, you can just get them to where the rim comes off the fork. Pull it off there. Alright, what this called is a tire tool. What you do is you don't want to use a screwdriver or anything like that, or it'll mess up your tube and cause damage. So what we're going to do is we're just stick it in there. We're going to pull it all the way around so the tire comes off. And we're going to take the tube out. Alright, next you want to feel for any stickers or anything sharp in there, so next time you won't get flats as easily. And you also want to be careful, so don't go so fast because you might poke yourself or something. Alright, looks pretty good. Alright, this is a liner at about $9, and this will help you. Not have so much flats. If you're into BMXing, this will add no weight to your tire. It's actually, I think, I don't know, not even 4 ounces or anything. So. This will help prevent the stickers from getting in there, and if it goes through this, it'll have to go through this, so it won't make the tube flat. So we're going to stick it in there. Now you want to keep it above the rim, so when you put your tire on, or your tube, it can go through the little holes in it. Stick it up in there. And I was just going to use the tire tool again. Alright, now you got it on, so you can put it back on your forks. And when you do this, you don't want to tighten one side, you want to tighten one and then the other. Because if you tighten one and then this, it'll get crooked on you, and the brakes will stop it at a weird angle. So. Well, now that we got it on, all you have to do is just air it up, and it'll be ready to ride, and you can ride instead of changing your flats.